It started last Tuesday. A rhythmic ringing at my doorbell, always at 3 a.m. 3 short, 2 long, 3 short. Just a prank, I figured. But by Friday, my nerves were shot. I couldn't sleep, just waiting for it. Desperate, I Googled the pattern. 3 short, 2 long, 3 short. The search results chilled me to the bone. It was an old miner's code, a distress signal tapped out by those trapped deep underground. SOS tonight, I'm ready. I have my phone recording, pointed at the door. It's 2:59 a.m. My heart is hammering against my ribs. And then ... silence. Nothing. It's 3:15 a.m. and still nothing. A wave of relief washes over me. Maybe it's finally over. That's when my phone buzzes with a notification from a neighborhood app. It's a missing person alert. My next-door neighbor, a retired coal miner, hasn't been seen since last Tuesday.